Hi guys, here's another video. I've got this e-bike I'm looking at today. See all the brakes retaining bolts for the brake disc, rear brake disc have snapped off. I'm going to kind of whack the hub and lift it up. It's aluminium, so you've got to be careful. Sheer metal that come off. You can see I've managed to get the thread going and I'm undoing it. One of the studs, sorry. Okay, so I'll just put the wheel hub back together here and put the bolts in. And now that I've repaired it, I can fit a disc. Let's put the bolts in here. I have to speed this section up because there's quite a few screws. As you can see there, I'm nice and tight. Okay, so now that's the disc done. Just got to fit a derailleur or an S. There wasn't one fitted previously, so I'm just fitting it here. And then I've got to add a chain. It's not long enough, so I'm going to have to order another chain. The brake discs were loose on this. Matter of fact, all the brakes were loose. It's Ceron brakes, and they were all loose. And I had to change one of the tires also. You can see me just changing it here. Just going to put some air in it. You can see here. Change the back tire. And that's the chain fitted, the new chain. Now, just going to get rid of this paintwork. You can see I've got a wire brush. I'm just getting rid of the paint, thick layers of it. And now that I've got all the paint removed, buffed off, I'm just going to clean the area. You see, it's just down to bare metal here. And then I'm just going to spray with primer to stop it from rusting. You can see there, spray the whole thing with primer. Just let that dry, because the owner's adding this wrap, which I'm trying to adhere here. You can see I'm just sticking the wrap on using a hair dryer and a smoothie. You see there, just smoothing it out. Let's show you what it looks like, some of it so far. Just doing the actual tank itself. Nice deep colours. And then now that that's done, I'm just going to sort out the side panels. He's got this carbon effect adhesive for the side panels, which I'm just marking out here. And then just cut the shape out slightly bigger. And then it's just a matter of peeling off the backing and sticking it to the side panel, which I've primed. A little bit fiddly. I've got to use a heat gun to soften it up and get it to stick, as you can see here, and to use a smoothie to get rid of the wrinkle. And that's one of the side panels on there. Got to do the same on the other side. Just get a little closer of what it looks like. That's one of the side panels there. Okay, it's just a matter of sticking the side panel on and fitting the bolts, which hold it in place. And there's quite a few. So I'll just speed this section up. Then you can see that's the one side panel fitted there. And it's pretty much done now. To show you what it looks like now. But yeah, so I'm just about to take a test run. I've fitted the ignition key on the top there also. I'll just show you around the unit. It's got Ceron brakes, as you can see here. Front tire is a bit bald. I'm going to have to change that and just show you the wrap which I've fitted, the carbon fibre effect there, and that's the S and derailleur, which I've fitted also. And just show you this side where the brake discs were broken. I've replaced all the bolts, drilled and tapped them out, and it's working fine. Okay, it's just a matter of taking it around the block, give it a try. So with that, thanks for watching once again, and please subscribe.